Hello, everyone. There are now hundreds of chatbots working on different algorithms, so we chose two big ones and asked them something really strange. We think you'll be amazed by what they said. Come with us as we test these powerful tools to see if they can actually guess stock prices. As AI has quickly improved, strong language models like ChatGPT and Google Bard have emerged that can write text that sounds like it was written by a person. These models use natural language processing to understand and write text that sounds like it was written by a person. Reports say that the global chatbot market has grown from $2.25 billion in 2021 to an amazing $6.92 billion in 2023. We will compare ChatGPT and Google Bard, including their content generation tools, ability to work with search engines, and ability to find plagiarism. ChatGPT and Google Bard are both AI language models that are designed to respond to prompts in a way that seems natural to humans, but they are not exactly the same in a number of important ways. The biggest difference is in the companies that back them. Google, a tech giant with a lot of money, backs Google Bard. On the other hand, OpenAI is working on ChatGPT, which is only about AI language models. Because of Google's huge funding, they can put more money into improving and perfecting their AI models. The training data used for their growth is another big difference. When it comes to training, Google Bard uses a large set of text from the internet, while ChatGPT uses a smaller set of text. This means that Google Bard has access to a larger range of text data, which makes it better at coming up with answers to more detailed prompts. Moreover, Google Bard comes with unique features that set it apart from ChatGPT. For instance, it excels at generating poetry and song lyrics, whereas Chat's primary focus is on providing text responses to promise. Additionally, Google Bard demonstrates the ability to comprehend and generate responses in multiple languages, whereas ChatGPT's primary focus remains on the English language. Currently, ChatGPT boasts around 25 million users who utilize the platform daily. However, experts anticipate that Google Bard will witness a meteoric rise in popularity, potentially acquiring an astounding 1 billion users once it becomes available to the masses. Regardless of the differences, both models aim to mimic human-like language. They utilize natural language processing techniques to comprehend and respond to prompts, enabling them to effectively engage in conversational interactions with users. Undoubtedly, both are powerful large language-based chatbots. So we decided to ask them about Tesla stocks. We asked about potential insights into Tesla's price by the end of 2023 and what are the key factors that could affect it. But as some of you might know, ChatGPT is trained on a data set that was collected up until September 2021. The reason for this loss of information is built into machine learning models like GPT. Once the training phase is over, a model like GPT becomes a static representation of the information it has learned from its training data, which only includes factual data up to the time the data set was collected. This is why, even though it's 2023, ChatGPT's answers are still based on the world as it was in 2021. To include more recent information, the model would have to be retrained with a new data set containing up-to-date information. Until that happens, ChatGPT will only be able to understand the world through the lens of 2021. Already said, ChatGPT couldn't give us a specific price, but did come up with some things that might affect stock prices. After seeing a big drop in its stock value of about 50% in 2022, Tesla investors are paying attention to NASDAQ tsla again this year because of its strong recovery. This comeback is due to a number of reasons, such as aggressive price. As the world's biggest maker of electric vehicles, EVs, Tesla continues to attract a lot of attention from investors. There is a lot of talk and speculation about what its future stock price will be. According to the AI chatbot, some of the things that will affect Tesla's future stock price are the company's past performance in the stock market, the potential effect of its CEO Elon Musk on market sentiment, and the company's financial results. Past performance is very important in determining investor sentiment and possible price movements. The most recent quarterly report from Tesla was in line with what Wall Street expected, with earnings that met and slightly surpassed predictions. As the world's biggest electric vehicle maker, Tesla's performance in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market is another important factor that investors should keep a close eye on. revenue growth, and the desire for electric vehicles around the world. Market can have a big effect on how investors feel, possibly to accurately predict Tesla's future stock price and make smart business decisions. It's important to understand and stay up to date on these factors that affect the company's stock price. On the other hand, we asked Google's AI robot the same question. This time, we were surprised to see that Google's AI bot was right about some things. Tesla shares will trade between $200 and $300 per share by 2023. The estimate is based on the company being in a good situation to keep growing its sales and profits while minimizing the risks to its share price. Now, what do you think Tesla's stock price might be by the end of 2027? That was the important part. The answer was very interesting. The success of Tesla's stock in 2027 will also be affected by things like interest rates, inflation, and economic growth. Different experts have made different guesses about how much Tesla's stock will be worth in 2027. Well-known investment company ARK Invest sets a price goal of $2,000 per share for Tesla by that time coin price forecasts. A website that predicts cryptocurrency and stock prices says that by the end of 2027, Tesla's stock price could hit $1,093 per share. A different report from Bazinga, a company that reports on and studies money, says that Tesla shares should be worth $1,400 each in 2027. Still, it's important to keep in mind that these predictions are just that, guesses, and that the real stock price could be different from these numbers. ChatGPT is more about getting things done. Bard is kind of like a search engine and a virtual helper all in one. For example, Bard is great when you need a specific answer, while ChatGPT is great at coming up with ideas and content. The main benefit of BART is that it can get real-time information from the internet for its answers, while ChatGPT uses a fixed data set that hasn't been updated since 2021. This means that Bard is better at giving up-to-date answers to current and relevant questions. Bard also has the benefit of showing users different drafts or variations of replies, which gives them a wider range of possible nuanced answers. On the other hand, ChatGPT usually only gives one shorter answer to each question. Bots are easy for people to use and respond quickly to questions. Bard, you'll need a Google account, which you can quickly make if you don't already have one. On the other hand, you can sign up for ChatGPT with any email address, even your work email, so you can start right away. That's all there is to it. Use AI chatbots for what they were made for. They will do a great job. Tell us about your favorite chatbot and what you use it for most in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you soon!